Okay, guys, so I recreated Mob Boss Michael Franzese's grandma's meatball recipes. Guys, mm, okay, so I'm a meatball snob. I only ever eat my own or like my mother's. Um, Michael, hands down, the best meatballs I've ever had in my life. So I'll insert a couple clips of the cooking process and some pictures that I took along the way. Guys, I have made these meatballs twice. And pro tip, I add a pinch of salt and I add some oregano. Okay? Okay? You have to make these. You have to try them. I have a whole entire pot of spaghetti and meatballs that I can't wait to eat as meal prep for the rest of this week. So good. Michael, your grandma was just, your noni was just on point. Those are the best meatballs I've ever had. So kudos to you.
Not only that, but that the wine is really terrific, and I really mean that. No matter how good you sell something, if the product is not good, it's not going to last. But these are great, and I'm really, really proud of them. So many people have said, Michael, how come you're not selling it? The pot of sauce, pot of gravy, I should say at that time. She'd chase us out. She'd have this wooden spoon. She'd bang us with the spoon. Get out of here. Because if she turned her back, she was done. They're so good outside of the gravy. We call it gravy at that time, or outside of the sauce now.
Okay, I just finished doing a skillet meatballs and spaghetti. I think if I ever had Italian in-laws, they'd be proud. All right, so looks good. I enjoy cooking, I really do. It's just nice to get up on the weekends and cook and the whole place smells good, you know what I mean? Yum, 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 yum. Here's a meatball, guys. Look at that, that fresh parsley. I got Parmesan, oregano. I will try to link the video and everything. I've already shared this recipe with other people. Guys, they even taste good cold. They're so good. I'm telling you. hmm Even better the next day if you can resist eating them, which you won't. And guys, even the cats in the backyard and my cats in my house go crazy. Like they beg and scream for these, okay? So, oh, and by the way, they'll make your whole house smell incredible. So, Michael, why were you keeping this recipe from us for all these years? These are literally so good. Like, these are the only way that people should ever make a meatball. And they're not hard to make, and they were pretty quick. And yeah, I had a sip of wine. Check out his wine, guys. I have to get that fruit wine set because I want those bottles. Mm, that's a whole nother video. I will unbox them when I eventually order them, probably in 2026 because time to Christmas shop. Uh, but yeah, guys, you want one? They smell. I know you want one. You have to try one of these. Here, just